When working with data, you have the opportunity to express yourself with certain artistic flourishes. We are going to just look at some of the basics of formatting. Maybe I want to bold or unbold. I'll just press Command B if you're using a Mac or Control B if you're using a PC. I might want to create a fill color that's different when I go with light blue. You could say, well, because these are days of the week or dates, I might want to create some other kind of color, green. Here, I could do the same thing. I'm going to head on over. I'm going to press Command B or Control B and bold those. I'm going to create a bottom border right there, bottom border. And below there, I'm going to create another label, totals, equals, sum, and I'm going to sum up all of these values. Google Sheets is already suggesting what I want. I will click and drag over to the right here. I find that during the first 7 days of my trip, I brought in $1,380 in income. I spent $1,902. Unfortunately, my savings balance went down by $522. But hey, that happens sometimes when you are traveling and having fun, right? I can, once again, head on over, change the border. For income, I'm going to make income green because green makes me feel good. That's money coming in. But then spending, it makes me nervous because, money's going out. I'm going to create a red. Different savings, so we'll make that a light orange. There's some way to express creativity. Finally, it's nice with the totals column to bold, and maybe we even want to increase the font size just to create a little bit of extra emphasis.